John here from O'Reilly Auto Parts. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a taillight bulb. I'm going to be changing the bulb in a 2014 Ford Escape, which you'll find very similar to a lot of other vehicles out there. To give ourselves access to the bulbs on this Escape, we're going to have to detach the assembly. Fortunately, the only tool that we'll need is an 8mm socket and ratchet. You'll see that these two bolts are the only ones that we need to remove to get this off. Most pickups will look similar to this as well, with a couple of bolts or screws inside the tailgate. In a lot of vehicles, you can just reach in the trunk and pull some fabric back out of the way, which will give you access to the bulbs without using any tools. Now remember, before you start doing this, have your vehicle and lights turned off. And as always, consult your service manual if you have any specific questions about your vehicle. We can even recommend a professional technician if you find yourself getting into something that turned out to be more complicated than you thought. All right, have that replacement bulb ready to go, and once you've removed the bolts, set them down someplace safe and pull the taillight assembly out slowly. Now you can see the wires connected to the back of the bulbs here. If you're changing a bulb in a vehicle that doesn't require you to remove the assembly, this is what you'll see, only from the inside of the trunk or hatch. There's sometimes a small panel that you'll have to remove to access the inside of the assembly. Turn this bulb socket to the left to release it from the assembly. In most cases, your old bulb will slip straight out of the socket, like so. Now we're going to add some bulb grease here and slide the new bulb into the socket. The only other thing that you might see on the base of your replacement bulb are small nodes that fit into notches in the socket. Once you've got your bulb on there, guide it carefully back into the assembly and turn it to the right to secure it. Reattach the assembly and tighten these bolts. Make sure that they feel snug and secure, and we're ready to roll. Remember, the taillight bulbs for your vehicle are always available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or online at O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions that we get in our stores each and every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to see the latest DIY jobs, and we'll see you again soon.